Ito na ang ating Fantastic Four. Sina CJ Navarro, Jay Gonzaga, Alexa Miro, Johannes Wrestler. Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Alright, diretso po tayo sa ating round 2 at tatawagin natin ito
Duelo Okay, Do or Die!
Round 2, Duelo Okay, Do or Die. Ang ating top 4 ipapares base sa deliberasyon at desisyon ng ating panel of Juke Bosses. Para malaman ang kanilang mga aawitin, kailangan nilang bumunot sa ating Wish Sing Lampara. Ang mga mananalo sa round na ito, papaslak na sa final round para malaman kung sino ang susunod na Ultimate Bida Okay Celebrity.
Ito na, para malaman kung sino ang kakalaban sa isa't isa. Head Juke Boss, Ariel Rivera, ikaw na.
Yes! Ito exciting to eh. I look forward to this. Ang first duelo natin ay CJ versus Jay. And of course, our second duelo is Alexa versus Johannes. Yeah.
Yun, there you have it. Ang unang mag-duelo okay ay si CJ and Jay. At pangalawa naman, of course, si Alexa and Johannes.
Tawagin po natin Sing Tucker, Yuki Paso!
Ganda ni Yuki.
Sexy.
Sumobrang sexy, no? Yung bewang parang hita ko lang.
Okay, bunot na, Alexa. Sinong bubunot? Sige, may representative. Ayan. Papakita natin. Reveal, dahan-dahan, i-reveal. Sakto nga, tama nga eh, no?
Thank you, Yuki. Napakagandang Yuki. At dahil dyan, sila CJ at Jay ang maghaharap para sa kantang I Will Survive ni Gloria Gaynor. At kayo naman, Johannes at Alexa, magduduelo para sa Gold by Spandau Ballet.
Alright, para sa unang duelo, okay. CJ at Jay. At syempre, Johannes at Alexa, pahinga muna tayo. Alright. Ang tanong, sing na ba kayo?
Sing na, sing na!
Kung ganon, sing nyo na!
First I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong. And I learned how to get along.
Now go back from outer space. I just walk in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid look. I should have made you live again. If I had known for just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me.
Go now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now. 'Cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Do you think I'd crumble? Do you think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, no, no.
I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know we're still alive. I've got all my life to live. I've got all my life to live. I will survive. And I will survive. Hey, hey.
Oh, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. Oh, I will survive. I will survive.
Go now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now. 'Cause you're not welcome anymore.
Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? Do you think I'd
no, no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'm still alive. I've got all my life to live, and I've got all my love to give. I will survive. I will survive. Hey, hey.
Yo! Grabe!
Tanungin natin mga juke bosses, Donita.
O siya, alamin na natin. Ang comments ng ating mga juke bosses, wala natin kay Sir Ariel. Kayo po talaga una.
Two different attacks, no? Both very good. Pero sa akin kasi, hindi naman sa taas ng boses, sa baba ng boses. It's how you interpret the song. But it's something to think about talaga. I have to kind of reflect once again kung which one I preferred. But you both did well.
Yun, maraming salamat, Sir Ariel. At ito naman, papikit ng papikit. Dako, juke boss mitoy.
Gising pa. Pinakikinggan ko yung mga sinasabi
Ay,
ng
okay,
ibang
okay.
joke boses natin.
Nasa karakter yan, kaya
Oo nga pala.
pinipikit-pikit.
Binisyo.
Pungay
Binisyo.
mata.
Akala ko
Binisyo del Toro.
Okay, gala ko ginagaya mo na si Sir Randy.
CJ and J. Na pares kayong wais. Ika nga, wais. No, yung isa nag-safe, yung isa alam niyang kaya niya at pinatunayan niya. Si CJ, doon siya sa taas, ikaw doon sa baba, Jay. Pero walang maitapon sa inyo. Oh, kung ano na lang yung resulta, doon na lang tayo bumase. Parehas kayo mahusay.
Salamat po, Sir Mitoy. And back to you, Madam Sir.
Thank you very much, Jonita. Ito naman po, Alexa at Johannes, tara na dito! Thank you very much, guys. Maraming salamat habang tinatawag namin.
Kayo naman na medyo mag-relax doon sa Kantang
Correct.
Bayan.
Ito na.
Ito
Getting
naman para
ready.
sa Kantang Gold. Ako, grabe din to. Showmanship.
Yan para sa Gold Spandau Ballet. Ang tanong, sing na ba kayo?
Sing na! Sing na!
Kung gano'n, sing nyo na!
Thank you for coming home. Sorry that the chairs are all worn. Left them here, I could have sworn.
These are my silent days, slowly being eaten away. Just another play for today. Oh, but I'm proud of you, but I'm proud of you.
Nothing left to make me feel small. Luck has left me standing so tall. Go!
Always believe in your soul. You've got the power to know you're indestructible. Always believe it. You are gold. Glad that you're bound to return. Something I could have learned. You're indestructible. Always believe it. After the rush has gone, I hope we find a little more time. Remember we were partners in crime.
It's only 2 years ago, the man with the suit and the face. You knew that he was there on the case. Oh, hey, he's in love with you, he's in love with you. Love is like a high prison wall, but you could leave me standing so tall.
Go! Always believe in your soul. You've got the power to know you're indestructible. Always believe it. You are gold. I'm not that you're bound to return. There's something I can learn. You're indestructible. Always believe it. My love is like a high prison wall, but you can leave me standing so tall.
Gintong-gintong performance yan.
Iba rin. Iba rin
Iba.
ang binigay.
Tsaka kahit kinang lalaki, lumaban yung Alexa.
Oo. Hindi nagpatalo, syempre.
Maraming salamat. Palakpakan po natin, Johannes and Alexa!
Kaya naman para sa mga komento natin mga juke bosses, Donita! Ano na? Ay, ano ka pala? Donita!
Yes, nandito lang ako, no? At syempre, eto na. Please welcome, of course, the beautiful Ethel Buba. Yes. Oo. Gold coin.
Ang hirap, sobrang hirap ha. In fairness, si Johannes, naging gentleman siya for this round. Kasi yung key niya pang lalaki, pero hindi niya talaga in-overpower. Si Alexa, medyo luwalawan kasi yung voice niya parang gano'n na pang lalaki yung timbre.
Medyo mababa, alto.
Mababa.
Maalto.
Kaya medyo bagay na bagay. Pero nung pangalawa, nag-second voice ko, taray, talagang lumalaban talaga to si Alexa, no? Parang,
Tama. At ito naman, of course, mula sa Amerika, Miss Ella May Saison.
Sobrang ang ganda ng energy niyong dalawa. Bagay kayo sa duet na yon. Pero syempre, of course, Alexa, medyo nag-energy ni Alexa nandun sa medyo konting taas lang. But si Johannes naman, performance-wise, okay siya. Stage-wise, okay rin siya. So, good luck sa inyong dalawa kasi for sure, bagay yung kanta pero isa lang sa inyo dyan ang makakabuelo. Kumbaga, good luck.
Karangkada. Mahirap. Mukhang nahirapan lahat. In fairness.
Thank you, Miss Ella May.